Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, dear students, today we are going to learn how to create a website using Filmora, using Dreamweaver. So first of all, click on the bottom left corner and then type Dream, and it will appear at the top of your program. Then click on Launch, and then you will get this interface. You will get the interface just like that. In some cases, you will get only this interface in the code section. Then you need to click on Split. Design section is here and code section is over here. When you click on design, you will get only design section. Till here any confusion? No. Let's go ahead. So I recommend you to click on split section. Done. And in the code section over here, you can see that your cursor is blinking over here. Just click here and press enter button over here. So let me show you that. Let me use on-screen keyboard so that you can see clearly. Okay, now here's my on-screen keyboard. Your cursor is blinking here. This is called the opening tag of body tag of HTML. Just click here. After this angle bracket, ending angle bracket, click here. Got it? And after that, press enter button. 1 2 3 4 4 times. Okay. This is your first step. Then click here now. Okay. Now I'm going to do what? I'm going to save my work. This is your first protocol. You need to follow all these instructions step by step. Okay, you can pause this video and you can attempt this step in your class or in computing class or lab, wherever you are doing this, or even doing at home. Okay, file, save as. I'm giving location of my file. So here I need to type what? Index dot html, and now I want to give a location. Okay, in your case you have to select a location by clicking on this PC. You have to select what? Scroll down from the right side and you need to select the student work. Students, you have to select students works, and in your class folder you have to save this file with your name, the folder that you have created with your name, and then save with this same extension index.html. Got it? Now I'm going to save it on the desktop. Let me click on desktop. On desktop I'm going to click here, create a new folder, and now I'm going to save it over here with my name. Let's say I'm going to write here building website 70 or 7C according to your section. Now open this folder by clicking on open. Now here I will create one more folder with my name, for example Faisal Jalil 7C. Okay, today you have a class, that's why I'm writing 7C over here. Open it and now save it over here. Done. Okay, now this was our first step. Now after that you need to find a folder. I'm going to click on desktop. Quickly explore desktop. On your systems, on all the systems, on your workstation, you will find this folder on the desktop. Press B, select a folder on your desktop and press B from your keyboard, just like that. Select a folder on your desktop and then press B, and you will get building website folder, and you can take the help from Sir Qasim as well. Okay, a lab assistant. Okay, he will guide you properly. Okay, then you need to open this folder, and then you will find what? You will find these files here, not this one. This one I've just created there. So this one, building website Dreamweaver, double click here, this one, and in this folder you will get the folder of images. We will use these images to create our website. Okay, and then there is a handout over there. Okay, not inside those images, maybe it's over here. Okay, don't touch these files. Okay, I will guide you later on. So in images I'm going to open the handout. It's a soft copy. Double click on it. It's your guide that how to create your website step by steps following the algorithm. So in Microsoft Edge, click on plus sign, zoom in so that you can easily read all the instructions. The first step, recreating the website of Arena, International Renewable Energy Agency, linked with 3 pages. use three links to access the website to copy the content. Okay, this link, sorry, this topic is related with your which subject, you can say SST subject, renewable resources or science. Okay, so computing is we are integrating with science and social studies. Okay. So simply click here and then it will redirect you to the another page by press Ctrl S, and then it will take you to the this website arena dot blah blah blah. Okay, then we will international renewable energy, so we are going to design the same website. Check this. Okay, and now and go back. Now this was the first instruction. Now create a new HTML document with the name of index.html. Done in Dreamweaver and save it folder with your name, and also set the document title to arena. We have done the rest of the statements. Okay, now only this part left. Document title should be arena. So I will go back in Dreamweaver, and here is the title. Can you see over here document title written over here? So I just click here and I will type caps lock on arena, just like that. Okay, done. Do Ctrl S from your keyboard to save your work, or on the top left corner file and then click on save. Not save as, I have already given a location, that's why I am not using save as. I have saved my work with the help of Ctrl S. Now what else? Let's move towards the next instruction quickly. So our next instruction is beta, set the font to Calibri from the page property, so the whole document display in the same font. It's very easy. So just do a smart work. You have this document on your desktop, open it and just copy it. Copy this font, copy it, select, do the selection, then click on copy, copy done. Now go back. Now where page property, we need to access the page property. Okay, go back. Where is the page property? It's not appearing over here. Look here where I have clicked, my cursor is blinking before the body. Okay, after the head, before the body. But where we need to write our content, we always write our content in HTML to create a website inside this body tag, opening tag and ending tag, between opening and ending tag. When you click here, then property will appear just like that. But if you click outside, for example you have clicked outside the HTML, then it will disappear. When you click here inside the body, then it will appear again. Got it? Okay, now after that you will see a page property over here. Click on that, and here we need to click write what our CSS. So we need to apply, this is cascading style sheet, we need to apply the font to the rest of the page. So just click here and I am going to apply, just paste it over here, right click, paste. Okay, yes, let me remove these extra spaces, page font. Okay, now click on apply and you will see that CSS file is integrated over here in the title automatically. Okay, then you need to do what? Click on OK, file, save, done.